You from the dark, but now I know my wounds are sore. Because of who you are, I will take this burden on and become the Holy One.
Remember, I am human, and I'm about to sing this song.
So
Hear my voice, I'm not too late. I'm here.
Savior will be there when you are feeling alone. For all that you do, so live freely without them. So here I am, my lullaby to all the lonely ones. Remember as you learn to try to be the one you love, so I can take the next step and teach you how to live. But what is left unsaid, the greatest gift I can. Thank you. This was a lot of fun, guys. Thank you. Give it up for yourselves.